Hi everyone, I am Rose Anvi Halyores, and today we're tackling a problem in thermodynamics related to convection heat transfer. Convection is a heat transfer from one place to another due to the movement of fluids. It includes liquids and gases that characterize by their ability to deform, flow, and change shape. We have here a simple problem of convection. In a greenhouse used for growing vegetables, the roof is made of transparent plastic. The roof has a surface area of 15 meters squared. On a hot day, the roof heats up to 50 degrees Celsius, while the air temperature inside the greenhouse is 3 degrees Celsius. The convective heat transfer coefficient between the roof and the air inside the greenhouse is 8 watts per meter squared Kelvin. Calculate the rate of heat transfer from the greenhouse roof to the air inside. How does convection occurs in this specific problem? As it states that on a hot day, the roof heats up to 50 degrees Celsius, while the air temperature inside the greenhouse, however, remains cooler as 30 degrees Celsius. In this scenario, there is a tendency that the heat can flow from hot to cold, and it will create a continuous circulation, and this circulation, the heat will transfer or can be transferred from the hot roof to the colder air. Convection heat transfer. Q is equal to H times A multiplied by T sub 8 minus T sub infinity, where Q is the heat transfer rate in watts, H is the convective heat transfer coefficient in watts per meter squared Kelvin, A is the surface area in meters squared, T sub 8 is the surface temperature in Kelvin, and T sub infinity is the fluid temperature in Kelvin. Let us first visualize the greenhouse and its given values to compute the convection problem. On a hot day, the roof heats up to 50 degrees Celsius. So for example, this is the roof up to 50 degrees Celsius. So let's say this is the area and 15 meters squared. The temperature inside the greenhouse is 30 degrees Celsius. 8 watts per meter squared Kelvin. So this is represented by H. So let us now substitute the given values and calculate. The first given is the area, followed by the heat transfer is squared, and the surface temperature of the roof, 50 degrees Celsius, and the temperature inside the greenhouse, which is represented by T sub infinity. Now let us calculate by writing first the formula Q times area multiplied by T sub 8 minus T infinity. So let us now plug down the given values. So 8 watts meters squared Kelvin times area 15 meters squared times the changes of temperature 50 degrees Celsius minus 30 degrees Celsius. But before we proceed to our next calculations, we need to convert the degrees Celsius temperature into Kelvin, which is the standard unit temperature in thermodynamics. To do this, we will just add 173.15 in order to convert this into Kelvin. After we subtract these two temperatures, 50 minus 30 is equal to degrees Celsius plus 273.15 will be equal to 203.15 Kelvin. So again, let us write it down here. Times 15 meters squared. Let's plug it down. 8 watts per meter squared Kelvin times 15 meters squared times 293.15 Kelvin will be equal to 35,178. In order to find the unit of convective heat transfer, we need to cancel out units. We need to cancel out meter squared and Kelvin. So now the units of convective heat transfer is watts, or represented by W. Therefore, the rate of heat transfer from the greenhouse roof to the air inside is 35,178 watts. That would be all. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have learned something.